how do I avoid taxes? So there's avoid and there's evade, right? So there's avoid and there's evade. So evading is illegal, avoiding is perfectly legal. Basically, the way I avoid taxes is my businesses are registered in Dubai. So Dubai, they have no corporation taxes for money that's generated outside of the country. Well, Dubai's not a country, but outside of the UAE, they have no corporation taxes. And there's no income tax and there's no capital gains tax. So basically, if I earn like £100,000 into my personal account in the UK, you'd have to pay 50% of it, of whatever it is. In Dubai, you get to keep 100% of it, right? Obviously, they get tax money in other ways. So there's certain things in the country that are a bit more expensive, like Wi-Fi is quite expensive. And though Wi-Fi is all government owned, all the phone companies are government owned, those things are kind of expensive. Like Wi-Fi I mean, this house is probably they just upcharge you because of where it is, but the Wi-Fi in the house is like ridiculous, like £250, £300 a month, something like this. But this house is also massive and ridiculously expensive, but they probably charge me some on that. But yeah, that's how it works. So like, it actually works out you're paying way less money, and even living costs here are actually much less than in like any other major city.